In this video, I'll show you how to add Shopify product metafields. First, log into your Shopify admin and open your store. Next, go to Settings and select Custom Data. Now, choose Products to create a metafield that will be available for your products. After that, click Add Definition and enter a name for your metafield, such as Material, Size Guide, or additional information. Next, choose the appropriate content type, such as single-line text, multi-line text, number, or URL. Now, review the settings and add a description if needed so you know what information belongs in this field. After that, click Save to create the metafield definition. Next, go back to Products and open the product where you want to add information. Scroll down to the Metafields section and find the new field you created. Enter the information for that product and click Save. Finally, repeat the process for any other products that need the same metafield information. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Shopify product metafields. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.